Welcome to Jillian Tech Talk. My name is Pradeep Kumar KP. We will talk today on who makes best CNC router. It's very elaborate task to identify who makes the best CNC router from thousands of CNC router manufacturers available across the world. If we have to go for such task, we have to define the criteria for the best CNC router manufacturer and to do survey on it. Then we will get an answer. But the answer will be more relevant in academic terms than for a practical use. Unless and otherwise, we get the grading of all the companies making CNC router and getting regular update on this data from a reliable source. Because this will be only one of the factors in actual purchasing decision, and purchase is more based on various other factors. So, if other factors are not favorable, very less chance to buy from the best CNC router manufacturer. At this point, I can't tell who is the best CNC router manufacturer, but we will look into the points to identify the best CNC router maker. The best CNC router maker will be surely the one who is strictly following manufacturing practices at the best and will result in quality product. Again, quality is relative term and based on buyer's requirements. Now we will look into those points to identify the best CNC router manufacturer. The first point coming to my mind is that they should have a proper manufacturing facility. You can grade all these points from a point from 0 to 10. Then next point is that they should have regular update on technology. The technology in which the machine work, all kind of updation should have there. We have to see that. Then the third point is that workmanship and best shop floor practices. We have to see that they follow this and to grade them from 0 to 10. And fourth, that is regarding the spares used for the machine, it should be standard one. Then fifth point, advanced infrastructure, machines and equipments to ensure quality. So, overall we have to see that they have the ability to deliver what they promise. I again say the ability to deliver what they promise. To conclude, as there is no data available now on who is the best CNC router manufacturer, but we can see there are many people who makes the CNC routers best in the class. You can use the above points to compare the manufacturers relevant to you to find the best among them, and can take a purchase decision considering other purchasing factors also. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button for notification on new videos. Thanks for watching. Wish you great time ahead.